What's up everybody, I'm Mike Noward and today we're talking about Werk-Brau's tree shear and grapple combo. Our tree shear and grapple is extremely versatile. It can be used and adapted with any skid steer loader, telehandler, wheel loader, mini excavator, and all the way up to 30 metric ton excavators. Manufactured with Hardox steel, the best SSAB steel available, the frame is heavy, durable, and able to withstand up to the harshest working environments. This unit, it comes in 4 different sizes, so we're gonna be able to find one that fits your individual needs. If your line of work is forestry, logging, landscaping, golf course maintenance, disaster relief, DOT, or highway department applications, then this tree shear combo is gonna be great for you. If you're land clearing where your saplings are gonna be less than 3 inches, you're probably gonna look at some of our other attachments, like our mulching heads or our flail mowers. Built for quick and precise cuts, this blade design can handle all types of vegetation, from small saplings up to 16-inch trees with a single cut. If you need just a standard grapple, that's no problem. You're able to take off the blades very quickly, which gives you 2 functions with only 1 tool. The Shear Grapple combo also features eBoost, which is a patented hydraulic system designed to push operating capacity up to 100% without sacrificing power. This leads to faster, cleaner, and safer operations, which increase workload production and lower operating costs. With an additional 360-degree rotation, you can move in either direction, and you have the ability to work in tight spots and conditions where other products cannot. Additional components can be added to increase versatility, such as felling support and accumulators, to make it possible to make multiple cuts without repositioning your machine. If you want to work smarter and not harder, contact your local Werk-Brau rep or reach out to your dealer today. The Werk-Brau tree shear combo is ready to go. Let's get to work.